Eva Drawings. Hello friends, Eva here. Be welcome. Shall we draw this beautiful owl with me today? Subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss our drawings, okay? Grab your pencil and paper and let's go. Let's start our drawing of this little owl with the left wing line. We continue the line, drawing the feathers and part of the tree branch. Very good. We draw all the lines of the feet, the feathers, and the entire complement of our owl's tree branch step by step. Owls have rounded heads and bodies, which makes them adorable. They can have several colors, can be brown, gray, white, and even colored. They have impressive eyes that help with night vision. Very well. Now, continuing the outline, let's draw the lines of the right wing and all the lines of the chest feathers of our cute little owl, very slowly step by step. Did you know that owls have the ability to rotate their heads at an angle of up to 270 degrees? This helps in searching for their prey and observing the entire environment. That's very good. To finish the base of our owl's outline, we draw the lines of its head and its two eyebrows. Yes, it was perfect. Our beautiful owl is starting to appear. Let's now draw all the lines of our cute little owl's beak. Very good. We will draw all the lines of our owl's left eye. We also draw the lines on its head that represent its feathers. It is getting very good. To finish the outline, we draw all the lines of our beautiful little owl's right eye. That's right. Our drawing of this owl is looking really good. Wow. We have now finished the entire outline of our beautiful owl. She looked beautiful. If you're enjoying our drawings so far, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new drawings. That's very good. Now let's paint. I have already separated the 5 colors that we are going to use to paint our drawing of this cute little owl. To begin our painting, we will use the color beige to paint our owl's ears. We will also paint its 2 big eyes. Yes, that's great. Still in beige, we will paint all the feathers on the beautiful little owl's chest. It is very good. We will use dark brown to paint the feathers on the back and under the feet of our owl, step by step. We will also paint his 2 huge eyebrows. That was perfect. Now, we use the darker brown color to paint the entire branch of the tree, where our owl is resting. Still in the same color, we will paint the tongue of our cute owl. Very good! To finish our painting, we used reddish brown to paint the feathers on the owl's chest. Still in that same color, we will paint all the feathers on our owl's face step by step, very slowly. That was perfect! To finish our painting, we will use the color orange to paint the 2 feet of this cute owl. Still in orange, we will paint the beak of our beautiful little owl. That's great! Our colorful drawing was beautiful. Wow! Our drawing of this beautiful little brown owl is complete. Friends, the drawing of our cute owl was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about owls. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can leave your like on this video, and subscribe so you don't miss any new drawing. Every week we have new drawings here. A super Eva kiss and see you soon. Eva Drawings.